All right, we are back in a 2021 BMW M2 competition with a 6-speed manual and with Q the Chaotic.
Hey.
Except today, we're out at Gingerman Raceway on track. We actually just uploaded a video of this car, and it was fantastic on the street. I most recently drove the new M2.
Yep.
Let's walk you around this real quick. I'll just show you what the wrap looks like. It's insane! No longer white. Dude, tell me about this wrap. I know you've already covered it on your channel, but this is awesome. This is pretty wild.
So Q the Chaotic, purple and green are my logo colors. This is what I envision chaos theory being with the butterfly effect. I forgot what the diagram is called, but little circles that make butterflies, so to say, and I kind of made it make a vortex in certain iterations, so that's all of that put together.
Cool. I love it. That's awesome. It integrates so well between body panels too. Nice. Yeah, because the front end on this was a little bit rough without a wrap, right? It had some, you know, marks and scuffs and things. So it's a good idea to get it protected.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. All right, well, last time we were out here, we were in your ZL1, and we're just gonna take out the M2 Comp, see what it's like.
Yep.
I've spent all morning in my Type R, in an M4 CSL. All right, we're gonna go Sport Plus, everything off. It sounds so spicy, I love it. Yeah, it'll be really interesting to compare this to the new M2 because I'm just fresh out of that seat. I loved the manual in that car. It was just a little bit tighter, a little bit like, I don't know, maybe a shorter throw than this. And it felt great, but of course the auto was really fast. They've gone from a 7-speed dual clutch in this to the 8-speed ZF auto and the new M2. I think ultimately though, the manual is the way to go in both cars.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Not as fast, but more engaging.
Absolutely, more fun. Oh, this rips. All right, we're gonna take it easy on the out lap, let things warm up a bit. Remember, does rev match engage in Sport Plus mode or disengage?
I turned it off completely.
Okay, cool. Oh, already this feels so good. It's so sharp. I've never tracked an M2 before, so this is the first time. Brakes feel really responsive. I love the front end. Steering's got a lot of weight to it, especially compared to the M4 CSL. Reserve.
We good.
We're good. Just if you keep driving like this, there's only 50 miles left.
Right.
This feels great, man. It's so, I just love the short wheelbase of the M2.
Oh yeah.
Nuts. Loves to rotate. It's just so balanced. You can definitely feel the power difference between this and the new car, but again, it's actually a little bit more approachable than I thought it would be. Yeah. track. We paid for it. Oh, this is wonderful. I like this a lot. This is so fun. So easy to place. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get one of these someday. This really speaks to me a lot, man. This shifter that much.
Oh, really?
I don't. At least it's like the gates are clearly defined. It's easy to tell what gear you're in on track. I mean, yeah, it doesn't have a lot of feedback. It's kind of numb, kind of rubbery, like all BMW shifters have been, but definitely felt worse. Definitely felt better, like we said in the review.
It's just that downshift in the second that gets me.
Exactly.
Or the upshift the second too. I almost lost it in that curve right there earlier.
Yeah, that's a sketchy corner.
Rookie mistake though. I stabbed the accelerator. Can't do that. Woo.
It loves to rotate. Yeah, you gotta commit. And then once you get it sideways, it feels pretty good. Charlie's chasing us down in the Type R here. We're gonna let him go by. Kinda wanna see it move around a little bit. Hey, it looks pretty good out there. He's got a good line through here. M2 versus Type R. This is a good little battle. M2's got the legs, but not by much. Is this a Honda Accord?
It is.
Thank you, sir. We'll do our cool down as well here. Cool ourselves down in the process.
Thank you.
Whew, sorry, man. Everything's been overheating today. Camera, car, self. All right, guys. Well, there's a couple laps in Q's BMW M2. Again, man, well bought. This is a fun car. I actually enjoy this out here more than the ZL1.
Oh, really?
I do. Yeah, it's a little bit more approachable. You can have some fun with it. It's still got a knife edge. It's still a little bit scary, but man, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
It's like a car you can really learn with.
That's like the main reason I bought it. I want to learn how to drive like you on the track right now. Definitely got enough gas to get to the gas station and do a few more laps.
For Charlie's Winding Road video. Cool. Well, thanks again, man. That was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where do you want me to park it? Just up here?
Yeah, just by the M4. So yeah, I got a lot more room to work with. I wasn't even anywhere near as close to the limit as I could have gotten.
Yeah, I mean, the trick is just like not getting on the throttle too early and crashing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Dope.
guess 20?
I just said probably 20. I didn't know. They didn't tell me.
It seems like a pretty
That's a great price for that.
yeah. Actually, the point he was saying, like, out of all the
So much fun.
You like it?
Yeah. So precise.
It is very precise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good time.
Mm-hmm. You're right. Third lap, right after I passed you, is I got the brake light.
Yep.
But
Yeah, right when things got interesting.
right. No, it's fun how early you could get on throttle. The diff being so smart.
Diff just figures it all out, man.
And the
Yeah.
grip and everything.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean you have to reteach yourself compared to all these rear-wheel drive cars out there.
Yes.
To get it to slow down first, you know, brake early, and then just get on the power so much sooner.
Yep.
And let it carry you to the edge of the track.
Yep.
Because you don't have to dance with it the same way you do.
Did you chuck it in and all, let the rear end kick out?
No, I didn't. But had I known
it's
that,
chuckable.
Okay. Chuck didn't chuck.
Chuck didn't chuck.
But I don't think you chunked either. These tires seem to be pretty good.
Yeah, tires are holding up.
Yeah.
They're not my favorite tire because they're so loud, but I'm just gonna wear them out and
Yeah.
see what happens. Yeah. It's a good time.
Yeah, good car.
Mm-hmm.
The downforce is nice going through those sweepers.
Oh my gosh, it's so stable. You're so
Yeah.
fast through there. Like you
Oh,
can just
yeah.
throw it in fourth and just power through with so much confidence.
Right. Like I said, I think it's probably faster than just about any other car we've got here, just based because of that thing right there.
Yeah, no, exactly. I
Just
think
through
you're
those,
right.
those sweepers.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see like even the rears are working out here. This is great.
No, it's a very balanced car. Good job with it.
Yeah. Fun.
It would be boring if you didn't know, if you weren't a good driver.
Sure.
Like it's not like the N cars or something like rear-wheel drive where you can come out and kind of be a novice and have fun.
Yep.
You got to really be able to. It's like a fine wine, you know. You got to be able to appreciate what it
Really
has.
push.
Yeah.
It's true. Gosh, we still got another like 2 hours left.
I know. Yeah. We got all our content.
Yeah. Have fun.